Today we will be making our bag from yesterday. Today I will be teaching you guys how to put the pictures on. And remember that you will need an adult and permission. Today we will just be needing parchment paper, plastic wrap, our bag from yesterday, pictures, regular pictures from a printer, scissors, and an iron. Now we will cut out our picture. Now we will need a piece of plastic wrap to cover the front and the back of your picture. Make sure that you leave room all around your picture, exactly like this one. Now we will cut the excess of our plastic wrap. For the fun part, we will put our picture on our bag. You can place it wherever you want. Make sure that you get a big piece of parchment paper. And make sure that your iron is on the hottest setting. And now let's iron it. Make sure that your bag is pulled off before you take your parchment paper off. And if it didn't stick, make sure to put the parchment paper back on and then take your iron and put it on there for a couple more seconds than you would, and then put it to the next spot. And this is